In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of resolving issues with COD Modern Warfare 3 Battle Pass tokens not working. It's essential to follow along until the end to ensure you don't miss any crucial steps or information. Let's dive right in. One troubleshooting method you can attempt is uninstalling and then reinstalling COD Modern Warfare 3. This process can effectively address potential glitches or corrupted files causing the problem. To do this, access the control panel on your computer, navigate to Programs and Features, locate Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, and uninstall it. Then reinstall a game either from the original installation media or by downloading it again from the game client. Another solution is to update COD Modern Warfare 3. Launch your game client, such as Steam, find Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 in your game library, and check for updates. Follow the prompts to complete the update. If you're using PlayStation, navigate to the game icon on your home screen, press the Options button, and select the option to check for an update. Once you've completed the uninstallation, reinstallation, or update process, it's crucial to restart the game. This step helps refresh settings and collect any pending rewards, including Battle Pass tokens. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.